Yeah, boy. Shoot. We got some imperfection right here. Check it out. There's like fish eyes, man. Hold on. God damn it. I hope you can see. There you go. Well, that's like a paint chip. I didn't fill up. It was only our blend panel. So that's why I didn't fix all that bullshit. But, look. You can see some fish eyes right here. There you go. That's bad. But let me show you why. Fuck. This is all I have filtering my air compressor here. So, look at it. It's only a water separator. It's not an actual filter. So I gotta go get one before I do any more painting. That's my regulator. And this, I think this was like $60. So I'm at I don't know if I should put the air filter after this and this at the end or the other way around, but I think I'll do the filter and then that at the end. Yeah. Before I do any more painting, because hell no. I don't want to have to buff every single one of my jobs, you know? Looking like today, you know? Still got to finish buffing that car over there. And that's done. Got my kids out here playing. Got my wife in there talking on the phone like she always does. I think we should go say what's up to her. Hey, sexy woman. Hey. Whatever. Hey, what are you doing, son? Boy.
Yeah, no. Olivia can eat the lunch there. Like, it's not a big deal.
Say hi.
Hi.
Who are you, Miss Ma'am? Hi. Whatever. Sheesh. Oh, let me fix that fucking light. Whatever. Beast. Here's this car right here. I got some bad runs here, I'm not gonna lie, man. But I'll fix that. Well, it's pretty much fixed. Just small. Look, you see, like, can you see it? Little shit, man. Like, fuck. So, after I finish this car, I'm gonna go get a air filter. So I won't have any of this shit happening again, man. This is the truck we're doing next. That Ford, 2018 Ford Lariat. This truck is clean. 30 something tires. Badass front end. Clean ass blue. This is what we're doing to it. Hold on. I'm gonna have to replace the bed. Because this aluminum, it'll be a bitch to repair. So replace that bed skin right here. But I need a forklift or something. I need some help to pick the whole bed up, and you know I gotta take these rivets off right here. So I gotta lift it up, and I'm gonna have to figure out how the fuck I'm gonna do it because I'm the only person here. to work on it. But yep, here's the next one right here. Bitch is clean, man. I want this truck. And when I have money, I'm gonna buy me a Ram or one of these. Clean. Check it out, guys. This is what I mean. That I need a new filter system. You can see those fish eyes. What I just did. Fuck. Hold on. You know, that's not good, but it's a dealership car. They said they don't want it showroom ready, but I'm doing the best I can. I mean, you know, as long as I get a filter system and it don't happen again, I guess I'm good. But yeah, look, I've already sanded down most of the imperfections it had, besides the fucking fisheye. I've hit it with 1500. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do it with 2000 DA wet sand. So I can go ahead and start buffing it and put it together hopefully today and get the fuck out of here. Alright, we sanded it down with 2000 wet with the DA. You go ahead and clean this panel up so we can get to buffing. Oh fuck, I forgot a spot over there. I'll get it and then she'll video of me buffing this little fucking car. Alright, so I was waiting for this to dry. I just wanted to get on here and say that the whole 2023, as far as my business, it was not going good. I did have work, but I feel like the quality of it, like, it was just not it, man. Like, you know, I had like multiple clients like get mad, and you know, I owned up to all of it. And you know, I feel like this year is just, I feel like I can like reevaluate myself and I can just do more better work like this. This is pretty good, you know. And this is why I made this YouTube channel, so like I can like reset my quality of work, I guess you could say. But also to, you know, help people, like people who want to DIY this shit, because I didn't go to school for this shit. I just started at one job and then moved on further up, next job. I had a total of, let's see, like 5 or 6 body shop jobs, and probably more. And then I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna start my own business, and here I am. I did not go to school for this shit. If you want to go to school for it, and go for it. I don't recommend it though, because I don't think they pay you. If they do, then that's cool. Like, imagine going to a job, they teach you and they pay you. So if you're young, go to a body shop job, man. Like, I dropped out when I was 17, and I moved to Dallas, and I came back. Then that's when I started doing paint and body. But yeah, man, like, I don't know. I'm just talking shit. I'm gonna just go ahead and buff this and call it a day. You know, I'm just talking, man. It's worth me putting it out there that I was not good all 2023. Wait, 2022. I forgot. Yeah, so I'm gonna reevaluate myself, reevaluate my work, start over, get a fresh start, and hopefully have more happy clients than sad or upset. And I'll make sure we do that. So I'll show y'all a video of me buffing this shit real quick. There it is. I already know I'm gonna have to buff that bumper and the door and the quarter panel. Say hi. Looks nice. Should I buff the quarter panel? Yeah. Oh, fuck, what a day. Let's go. Let's go home. Fuck it.